Hi everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by today. I promise this is so serious. I am going to make this video short because it's super windy out here and I don't want the wind to distort the sound any more than what it is. So if it does get too distorted, I will be doing a voiceover. But let me tell you what I am excited about today. Now, y'all know I've been telling you, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following us on Instagram. Make sure you are in the know with us. And so today is my birthday. And so I've been telling you we have a giveaway coming up. And I really didn't give the details. I just said giveaway. But it is a birthday giveaway. So let me tell you what we are doing. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so let me tell y'all, I am so thankful and I am so grateful and I am so blessed. Like every year, I'm just thankful to see another birthday. I'm not really big on gifts or anything like that. If you ask my husband and my kids, like if you were to come up to them and say, what does your mom want for your birthday? Every last one of them will give you the same answer. Just make sure my house is clean. Give me a break from doing the dishes. Give me a break from cleaning. That's all I want. And so this is what I got to show you, y'all. So they listen. They know exactly what I want. So let me turn the camera around and let me show you. And see, this is like the best birthday gift ever because I don't have to do it. Now, it's still a little stuff off to the side, but I tell them don't throw away my stuff either. You know, like when you're cleaning up, don't throw away my stuff without talking to me first before you go throwing away, because let me tell y'all about my husband real quick. He will throw some stuff away and then make you think you are crazy because you know what you had, and then he'd be like, I hadn't seen it. But he secretly throws stuff away. So y'all comment below if you know somebody like that, because he will do it. And I've caught him in the act. I have caught bags where he has thrown stuff away, and then yeah, we won't even go to that. Let me show you before we do the giveaway. Let me show you what everything looks like, and this is all I ask y'all. Okay, can y'all look at this now? How many videos have you saw where stuff was all over the place? And I'm for real, I am not going to junk this back up. The only thing that's here is my cup of water because we have been out here doing some work. So y'all make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're following us on YouTube because I'll share those details in our September garden tour that we'll probably be filming later on this week. But look, this is all I want. Just nice and clean and organized. So this is the best birthday gift ever. And I'm so ashamed of myself because, as a matter of fact, my middle daughter came home and it literally took her less than an hour to do this. So this is how I know I play around a lot. I do a lot of playing around, in and out, taking breaks, because if she can do this, and I'm talking about taking the broom and sweeping and doing all of that, if she could do that in less than an hour, I could have done it. But I'm going to make sure that it is right. So let's get into the giveaway. And the good news is you all will have three chances to win. So let me show you what we're giving away. Okay, y'all, don't think I forgot about you all. I did a comment and asked you, would you like for me to go live on YouTube? Don't think I have forgotten about you. What I want to do, I do a lot of lives over on Instagram, but what I want to do is do both of them simultaneously. So if you're predominantly on YouTube, you can join us from YouTube, and you can also join us from Instagram. But we will be doing more lives because I got a lot to share with y'all. I have a lot to share with y'all. So if you don't know, I try to get everybody to start a garden, to start a plant, to grow something. And so that is what this giveaway is based off of. I feel like I need to go sit at the patio table because it's actually cleaned off. But remember, I said this video won't be too long. Okay, so let me stop talking because y'all know how I can get. So first of all, let me just show you the whole package of what you're going to get. And then I will tell you how you can win it. So hold on, let me get everything together. Okay, y'all, so we are doing a lettuce seed starting kit to give away, and you have 3 chances to win. Now, I will put the link in the description, but we released our Let Us Grow Together ebook, which is your guide to growing garden fresh lettuce from beginning to end. It's going to take you from the beginning. It's going to give you everything you need to know about starting and growing lettuce, which is so great. I love it. Y'all know I can eat a salad every day, but we also included a bonus recipe. We have a seed inventory. We have a tracker on there. So we have a lot of extra bonuses included. So I will leave that link in the description. But what we wanted to do for our birthday giveaway is we wanted to go ahead and get you started with growing your lettuce all in this pack right here. So we're not including the seed starting soil because everyone has their preferences. There are certain seed starting soils that I don't like, and then there's some that they sell here for this area that I just absolutely love. So just depending on where you're at, you will need to have your own seed starting soil or however you're going to grow them in. But right here we have you a pair of gloves for working with your soil, and then we have picked 5 of our most loved lettuces right here, and there'll be 5 of just different types we love to grow. We got 2 red lettuce varieties, and then y'all know I love arugula, so we definitely had to include that. But we handpicked these lettuces just for you. We have used some garden labels, so you can label whatever it is that you're growing. Make sure you have the label. Make sure you put the date on there. And y'all know I've told you about these. I love these. These are the seed starter cell trays, and what I love about it is it has these domes on here. Now right now we're starting lettuce outside, so we really don't need the humidity domes, but if you want to go ahead and start it inside, you can definitely control the amount of humidity. And you know I told you I do love that they have these clear inserts so you can see the roots growing, you can see what's going on underneath. So all of these are things that I highly recommend, I highly love. So that is what you are going to get with the birthday giveaway. But wait a minute, let me tell you the 3 ways you can win, because there are 3 ways you can win. So let me tell you how. So before we keep going, I'm sorry I have to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm going to speed it up because it's getting really windy. We can only ship to the US, and you have to be 18 years or older, and you have to have a valid shipping address, and I'll make sure I put that down in the description as well. So I am so sorry to like all of my international subscribers. I really am, but we have to keep it within the US. Okay, so again, you have 3 ways to win. Way number 1, comment on this YouTube video. Just leave me a comment and let me know what is your favorite fall vegetable. You don't have to grow it, just like what's your favorite fall vegetable. You go over to Instagram, like the post that we have up, and comment and tag someone, but still let me know your favorite fall vegetable. Okay, and the 3rd way is to sign up for our email list. And I encourage you to sign up for our email list because we offer tips, tricks, we give special discount codes, and we do special giveaways that we do not announce on social media. So you definitely want to sign up for our email list. If you have not signed up for our free 5 tips to a flourishing garden, go ahead and do that, because that is going to give you a good foundation on growing in your garden. So go ahead and download that if you have not done so as well. So I am so excited because we have a group of gardeners where we are growing together. We are sending each other pictures. We're keeping each other posted. So I want you, if you're on Instagram, as you're growing through the season, tag me on Instagram. Send me pics, because we are going to grow this fall and it's going to be so great. It's going to be so great. But yes, this is our birthday giveaway. Remember, you have 3 chances to win. And if you want to go ahead and purchase the seed kits, we do have a limited quantity available because I'm currently working with the manufacturer to try to get a bulk amount of these sale trays right here, because I love them so much. But we are still negotiating, and I want to get them in before I start putting a lot of them on the website. I want to have them here physically in hand before I put like a whole bunch on there and people start ordering. So we will have limited quantities available. We'll call this our Lettuce Grow Together seed kits. We're going to hand pick 5 of some of our favorite lettuces, and we'll send that to you. Now, the gloves won't be included because I definitely have limited quantities of those. So these are, we do have 3 to give away with the giveaway, but they won't be included on for sale on the website. The only thing that will be included for our Let Us Grow Together seed starting kit is we'll have the garden labels, we'll have the sale trays, and we'll hand pick 5 of our favorite lettuces for you to purchase and for you to go ahead and grow along with all of us happy gardeners. So I am going to put all of the details to the giveaway down in the description. Again, there are 3 ways to win, and I wish each and every one of you good luck. I'm super excited. I wish I could give you all a kit, but we only can do 3. And so, as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap that bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.